Hey guys, JP here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a modified version of the 90-90s, except we're going to be doing it with a foam roller here, okay? It's pretty much the exact same thing. It's just we got a foam roller under us sitting right on our sacrum there. Just going to help things release, crack a little bit more maybe, and hopefully help you guys out with that lower back pain, okay? Or sciatica. All right, so all we're doing is, again, keeping the legs fairly wide, not too close together. Nice shoulder width stance, roughly. Okay, and then coming on down, all the way to the ground, perfect. And then again, right on that sacrum area, keeping the feet in place, okay? And just letting things drop. 1, yep, 2. And again, you wanna, wherever there is resistance, like in this direction for me, is much harder in this direction. Okay, everything, my knees go to the floor a lot easier. So this would be the direction that we really want to hold and force our knees into the ground. Just a quick touch to this side, back and hold. And that is how we do 90-90s on the foam roller. Thanks so much for watching.